Hey, how's it going? Hope you're having a great day. So I thought I'd make a quick video showing you how I fixed my radiator. This is on my 22RE. And what I got going on here is it looks like I have an original brass radiator. And what had happened is the brackets came separated from the radiator on both sides. So you could take this and shake it around. And I looked at just replacing the radiator, but man, they don't make them like this anymore. So I wanted to keep this because all the newer ones are just a lot of plastic on them and stuff. And so originally there's, if you look on your radiator, most like if you have an original one, there was little circle cutouts here, and I tried to just put some JB Weld there, and when it hardened it didn't hold and it came loose, and I'm not sure why that was, but it didn't work well. So then what I did is I took a wire wheel and just put it on a drill and kind of cleaned up this area. You can kind of see right there where there, it took the paint off, and then I took some acetone alcohol and wiped it down to get any oil off of it there. And then I just used JB Weld, and I just get a piece of wax paper and a popsicle stick, mix it all together. I recommend you use the quick dry one because the regular old school one takes a long time to dry, and right now it's winter time, so the colder it is, it seems like the longer it takes. Anyways, initially I put it in the center hole and it didn't hold. So then what I did is put it all around the edges here, and I did that on both sides, and then that held real good. So now it's nice and firm in there. So if you have this problem with your brackets, I think what had happened is probably the front of the vehicle was hit at one time and the impact probably broke those off. I have no idea, I'm not the original owner. But if you're having trouble getting this back on, that is a really good way to do it. You could try to solder, but brass is kind of tricky. I don't even think aluminum will stick to brass if you melt aluminum and pour it on here. So it's hard to get stuff to stick to it. And also I didn't want to use any flames here because there's so much plastic around here. And plus this oil engine, when I got it, was covered in oil and hydraulic fluid and stuff like that. And so it's always a good chance you might start a fire, hitting it with a flame. And plus I'd have a lot of plastic that I didn't want to worry about melting. And being an older one, there might even be solder joints in here, and if you heat it up, maybe you might loosen those solder joints. I didn't know. So anyways, this is a good solution. And so if you're having that kind of trouble, somebody's out there, maybe this will give you some ideas on how you can keep your old brass radiator around another 20 years there. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, maybe give me a thumbs up. And if you're subscribed, you'll see more videos as they come out. Thank you for watching.